We got a hottie today. This is a 1970 Plymouth Duster. It's been rotisserie restored as a performance 340, has a pistol grip 4-speed in there. This thing is nice. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 nice classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But right now, let's go for a spin. Yeah, again, this one's exceptional, people. They all look good in the pictures and all over the internet. This one is that nice. The body works outstanding. They took it down to a bare shell, put it on a rotisserie. It's exactly what it sounds. They could turn the car around and work on it from all angles. And the result, red glass. This is absolutely laser straight. The gaps are right on the money. The fender's pristine. The rockers all the way underneath. They didn't get my hands dirty. Smooth, gloss paint. Opens up real nicely. The jambs are as slick as the outside. Shuts with a nice thump. The roof is all straight. The sail panel, the quarters, the trunk. Look at the gaps, all real nice. All this is outstanding. This is, again, red glass. Every square inch of this body is straight. I don't see any damage, cracking, issues. I don't see any poor body work. All of this is outstanding, folks. Nice lines, all smooth. Even inside the wheel wells, all gloss red. So is the whole bottom of the car. Let's see how this door does. Opens very easily. I didn't know if it would close. I barely gave it a push, and it shut like a new car. Again, all nice, smooth, glossy, beautiful. Has the scoop on the hood. The glass is all crystal clear. You can see how nice it fits. The other side's rolled up. These rear windows pop out like that. All the stainless is polished like chrome. Even the wiper arms are shiny. The emblem's nice. The grille is restored. The bumper's rechromed. Everything up here looks beautiful. Has the correct antenna, all nice and shiny. The Duster 340 stickers and the stripes. Look at all this, how bright and brilliant the chrome is. Glass is crystal clear. All the rubber is soft. The door handles are replaced. Looks really cool with the poverty wheels, the steel rim painted to match the car with the poverty hubcaps. These are 15-inch. And in back, you can see they're extra wide. They're wearing Mickey Thompson street strip tires. Still a 15-inch wheel, but extra wide, again, with that big tire, that real grippy tire. Has the Duster 340 stickers, emblem sparkling, the bumper looks like show chrome, rear windows real nice and clear. So yeah, outside of the car is really hot looking. So is the rest of the car. Let's take a tour of the inside. All right, I'm going to show you a nice clean trunk. Underneath the trunk compartment, look how nice it's painted. The sticker, wow, a sticker with no wrinkles in it. The jam is slick. The weather strip is replaced. The entire inside of the trunk compartment's all clean, painted red. The mat fits real nicely. Underneath is the panel, and underneath that is the spare. It's on a polyglass tire. And then here's the jack assembly. So it's complete, clean and complete. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos come out. Yeah, what a nice car. Those jams are slick. The inside metal trim's painted gloss black, door panels, armrests, window cranks, all that looks great. The whole dash area, the wood grain, the knobs, the plastic, all looking real nice. There's a sport comp tachometer. Dash pad is just mint. The heater control panel looks new. It's actually a digital retro stereo that fits right there. You got the Duster decal, all clean metal. Inside here is a glove box pouch with all the manuals and literature and the manual for the stereo. Clean kick panels, real nice carpet, Duster floor mats. We do have a gauge cluster here, giving the engine vitals. And right here, pistol grip 4-speed transmission. That's lots of fun. Very comfortable bench seat. You got the nice comfortable cushion armrest. You want to sit next to your sweetheart, you can put it up. If you're mad at your sweetheart, you put it down. Full set of seat belts. They look new. All real nice. Nice cushion, nice upholstery. Everything back here nice and tidy. The carpet, the upholstery, the side panels, all done really nice and tidy. The rear shelf is nice and clean, and all the trim around the window. Has a new headliner. No wrinkles, fits real nice. Working dome light, shoulder belts. Nice visors. The mirror looks new. This is a reproduction tough grip wheel, has the polished spokes, actual leather cushion grip wheel. And you didn't see it, but there's even a little microphone mounted up by the visor for the stereo, so it must be hands-free, probably Bluetooth. So I'm sure there's some upgraded speakers in here too. So as a rotisserie restoration, that means this car was taken completely apart. Look at the engine bay, painted beautifully. We have a performance-built 340 engine. Has Edelbrock aluminum heads, even has to have chains to hold it down. That's how strong this baby is. Seriously, they put those there so you don't break an engine, a motor mount. It looks like this is powder coated, the aluminum intake. And then there's a big dual feed Holley carburetor underneath there with some nice fittings. In back is a complete MSD ignition system, Pro Billet distributor, Blaster 2 coil. And again, look at the firewall, all painted and all nice. The hoses are run nice. Got the horn. Nice polished aluminum radiator with the clutch fan and shroud and the pulleys and alternator. All that looks fresh. Batteries secured properly. Cables are clean. We have a fender tag here. Wires are run neatly. Washers are all hooked up. Master cylinder and the lines look new. Has some nice coated headers. Some nice tall aluminum valve covers that are powder coated black. And it actually has some functional, from fresh air does come in from that scoop, so it is functioning. All right, Michael's going to show you how this runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, got a little street beast here in this Duster. Performance built 340 under the hood. This thing sounds tremendous, runs really strong. That's paired with the 4-speed manual. It's got the pistol grip shifter there. Frame off rotisserie restoration. Definitely get on our website and check out pictures of the undercarriage of this one. You will not be disappointed. That is for damn sure. Well, yeah, she fired right up for me. No issues at all. And that's consistent with what our shop thought. It flew through our shop. We just gave it a little detail, and that was pretty much it. Didn't really do anything mechanically to the car. It was very dialed in when we purchased it. Looks so tough with this hood scoop. Sounds great, you can hear it. Got the handy little tack over here, autometer, and then the triple gauge as well. Monitor all your vitals. Also does have the little shift light up here when you set it. I'm excited. Let's see what she's got. Okay, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. She's pulling too. I wasn't even barely halfway in the throttle. This thing pulls hard. It's got the Edelbrock intake on there, the air gap intake, and then it has the Edelbrock aluminum heads as well. See how it goes down the road. Yeah, I mean, I tell you, man, this thing's dialed in super, super nice. Goes down the street straight as an arrow. And runs just as straight as this body is when you look down the side. It's just a great, great restoration. Somebody's gonna get a tremendous car, have tons of fun in it. Come test drive it for yourself and check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
Told you this is a full restoration. There's a pretty thick stack of receipts in here, paperwork of the restoration. So underneath is all painted red. It has welded in frame connectors front to back. Looks like factory put them there. And again, all clean metal painted red. All of the steering and suspension completely rebuilt, painted, detailed, restored, upgraded Bilstein gas shocks at all four corners. It has a nice sounding dual exhaust system with boreless stainless mufflers. Also has the correct stainless tips going out the back. It has the crossover pipe. All new fuel system, including the tank is new. The brake system's completely redone. Has some drilled and slotted discs in the front. E-brakes all hooked up. Lines were replaced. Look up at the motor. It's all nice and clean. It has an extra capacity oil pan. Transmission as a 4-speed, obviously. That's been redone as a center force, dual friction clutch. Rebuilt drive shaft goes through a safety loop. Goes back to a rebuilt sure grip rear end with 391 gears. This little bugger is going to scoot. It's going to be a fun car. It could be a fun car for you. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions, including how to get your Duster delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that as well. So go to volocars.com. Thanks for watching.